Hello friends, this is me Vijay Chan, presenting you the most important current affairs for January 2021, part 2nd for the upcoming JKSSB exams. Earlier we have discussed 15 MCQs, now we are going to discuss further 15. So let's start. Question number 16. India's largest multimodal logistic park is to be set up at option A is Mumbai, option B Kolkata, option C Bengaluru, option D Ahmedabad. The correct answer for this is option D Ahmedabad. Friends, the largest multimodal logistic park is to be set up at Virochan Nagar, which comes under Ahmedabad district. Okay, Virochan Nagar in Ahmedabad. Question number 17. Recently, a fire incident took place in Zuku Valley. Where is it located? Option A is Nagaland, option B Assam, option C Arunachal Pradesh, option D Bhopal. Friends, the correct answer for this is option A Nagaland. Zuku Valley is situated in Nagaland. Also, the Zuku Valley was declared as plastic free in 2019. In 2019, Zuku Valley was declared as plastic free. Now question number 18th. Army Day is celebrated on option A 15th January, option B 16th January, option C 25th of January, option D 17th of January. And the correct answer is 15th January. 15th January is celebrated as Army Day. Coming to the next slide. Question number 19. According to Global Migration Report, most Indians work in which foreign country? Option A is USA, option B Canada, option C Saudi Arabia, option D UAE. And the correct answer for this is option D UAE. The foreign country in which the most Indians work is UAE. Now question number 20. Which of the following became the first person to have 250 million followers on Instagram? Was it option A Barack Obama, option B Narendra Modi, option C Virat Kohli, option D Cristiano Ronaldo? And the correct answer for this is option B Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo became the first personality to have 250 million followers on Instagram. Now question number 21. Who recently became the head of CISF? Friends, CISF stands for Central Industrial Security Force. Central Industrial Security Force. It's a paramilitary organization along with BSF, ITBP and CRPF. The recent head of CISF is option A Sudesh Dhawan, option B Bimal Julka, option C Sandeep Lahiri, option D SK Jaiswal. And the correct answer for this is option D SK Jaiswal. Subodh Kumar Jaiswal is the new head of CISF. Question number 22. Strawberry Mahotsav were recently celebrated in option A Bhopal, option B Indore, option C Jhansi, option D Dehradun. Friends, the correct answer for this is option C Jhansi. Jhansi comes under the Bundelkhand region of UP, which is known for scarcity of water. The farmers here cannot grow grains, but they have started growing strawberry, which is becoming a boom for them. Now, coming to the question number 23. 67th Chess Grandmaster of India is Leon Mendonca, option B G Akash, option C Vishwanathan Anand, option D Gukesh D. Friends, G Akash was the 66th Grandmaster Champion of India. Vishwanathan Anand was the first Grandmaster of India. Option D, Gukesh D was the youngest Grandmaster. Vishwanathan Anand was first. Leon Mendonca is the new chess grandmaster from India. He is 67th chess grandmaster. Okay. Coming to the question number 24. National Girl Child Day is celebrated on National Girl Child Day is celebrated on option A 24th of January, option B 26th of January, option C 13th of January, option D 9th of January. The correct answer for this is option A 24th of January. Okay. Option 24th is option number A is the answer of the question number 24th of January. 24th of January is celebrated as National Girl Child Day. Question number 25th. Oxford Hindi Word of the Year 2020 was option A Samvidhan, option B Annadata, option C Atmanirbharta, option D Ganatantra. Friends, this Oxford Hindi word is the most used word online for the given year, and for year 2020 it was Atmanirbharta. It was Atmanirbharta. For the year 2019 it was Samvidhan. For the year 2019 it was Samvidhan. Coming to the question number 26. India's longest arc bridge was inaugurated at option A Meghalaya, option B Manipur, option C Arunachal Pradesh, option D Assam. And the correct answer for this is option A Meghalaya. India's longest arc bridge, that is Wahrew Bridge, WAHREW. Wahrew Bridge in Meghalaya is the India's longest arc bridge. Question number 27th. Who among the following did not receive Padma Vibhushan awards in January 2021? Friends, the Padma awards are most important for the upcoming JKSSB exams. Among these, Padma Vibhushan are the most important. In total, 119 Padma awards were given, which include 7 Padma Vibhushan awards, 10 Padma Bhushan awards, and 102 Padma Shri awards. Okay. Coming to the question. Who among the following did not receive Padma Vibhushan award in January 2021? Was it option A Shinzo Abe, option B SP Balasubramaniam, option C Narendra Singh Kripalani, or option D Mridula Sinha? Friends, Shinzo Abe is former Japanese Prime Minister. He got awarded with Padma Vibhushan award. SP Balasubramaniam was a renowned composer and singer who recently passed away. He also got Padma Vibhushan award. Narendra Singh Kapani is a physicist. He also got Padma Vibhushan award. So Mrudula Sinha is the correct answer. Correct option is Mrudula Sinha. She got Padma Shri award. She got Padma Shri. She did not got awarded with Padma Vibhushan but Padma Shri. Question number 28. B.B. Lal recently got Padma Vibhushan award. He was a physicist, an archaeologist, mason, or an ISRO scientist. Friends, B.B. Lal was the former head of Archaeological Survey of India. So he is an archaeologist. B.B. Lal is an archaeologist who recently got Padma Vibhushan award. Question number 29. Tarun Gogoi posthumously got awarded with option A Bharat Ratna, option B Padma Bhushan, option C Padma Shri, option D Padma Vibhushan. Friends, Tarun Gogoi was a CM of Assam. He was a Congress leader. He recently got awarded after his death. He was given Padma Bhushan. He was given Padma Bhushan. Question number 30. P. Anita recently got a Padma Shri award. She is a P. Anita got a Padma Shri award. She is a option A cricketer, option B baseball player, option C kabaddi player, option D basketball player. Friends, P. Anita is basketball player. She is a basketball player and got Padma Shri award. So I said that there were 7 who got Padma Vibhushan award. One was Shinzo Abe, second one was S.P. Balasubramanian, and Narendra Singh Kapani. He also got Padma Vibhushan award, and B.B. Lal also got this award. Apart from them, Sudarshan Sahu, who was a mason, got this award. Maulana Wahiduddin Khan, who recently passed away, was an Islamic scholar and peace worker. He also got this award. And Dr. Belle Monoppa Hegde, who is related to medicine, also got this award. Okay. So friends, this concludes this lecture, and the most important current affairs for January have been covered in this lecture. Now, in the next lecture, we will discuss the current affairs for February 2021. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.